our vision doing innovative X-ray everywhere is showing that our innovation is making a fundamental difference on what the outcomes can be.
inCiTe is a micro-CT system. It's the first system to use the BrillianSe camera as the detection unit for a micro-CT system. So BrillianSe is the highest resolution camera in the world for hard X-rays. It's able to achieve this by using an amorphous selenium photoconductor paired with CMOS technology. This allows it to achieve high efficiency, micron scale pixel, which outperforms other cameras in the market.
Phase contrast and our micro CT is fantastic in multiple different applications. A couple of them, because of the low density focus and the capabilities of better imaging at the low density, we're seeing the opportunities in agriculture, imaging seeds, for example. We're seeing composite materials, so 3D printing or using composite materials, we can analyze that better and see low density materials. We've seen life sciences where they're trying to look for mouses, mouse knees, for example. We've seen articular cartilage in the knee. Because of our imaging and the capabilities of our imaging, we've been able to do things that others can't do.